I entered an invention contest in the 3rd grade. I ended up winning that for the school, and that kind of started my love for inventing and design. I'm an industrial designer. I developed the aesthetics and form language of a product, and I also focus on the usability of a product. Everything from tents, lanterns, playgrounds, to tiny little bolts. Freelancing is really a gift to me. Projects that were coming in were so exciting, and the money that they were offering were hard to beat. I started getting month-long waiting lists for my services. That's when the light bulb went off in my head that, hey, freelancing may be viable for our family. The most important thing to me is family, and that's one of the reasons why I chose freelancing. I get to go on field trips with my kids. That just gets me in the right headspace to make a better product for my client. Freelancing is the future. Don't be afraid to hire us. We're more than confident and passionate about what we do. And since we're not in your industry, we can offer a fresh perspective and be innovative. Projects that come across my desk amaze me. I've been lucky enough to work for some of the largest companies in the world, including Little Tikes and Coleman. I really enjoy working for large companies because they can get the prototypes made. They can get me to trade shows. And I like to tell my kids that anything's possible. So when they look at me freelancing for Fortune 500 companies, that shows them that anything is possible for them. There's no limits to what I can make, how much I can earn, or the people that I work with.